Now we will see about serial monitor. That means if you want to display some numbers, or if you want to see the input of the Arduino or output from the Arduino. For example, if we read some sensor values, what I'm telling is, if I connect some sensors to the Arduino, then if you want to read what the value the sensor is giving, that we can see in the serial monitor. That means the Arduino sends the data to your computer, so you can visualize it what is happening. That means what input, for example temperature. If I connected the temperature sensor, then we need to see what the temperature is, so in the screen we can see that. For that we are using something called serial monitor. So what I will do means, now okay, I opened the new sketch. This is not, yeah, this is the sketch. So for serial monitor, here you can see, here this is the compile run. I told all these options, and here at the right side top you can see one serial monitor option is there. Okay, for that, first of all we need to configure our Arduino. That means we need to configure our Arduino that gives some data to the computer's serial monitor to display. Okay, you need to configure that. For that, what I will do means, here at the white setup, at the starting, I am telling to the Arduino that you have to give something to the computer. That something I will tell later, but I am telling that you have to give something to the computer. For that I am writing serial, because we are using serial monitor, serial dot begin. This is a function. Okay, just open a curly brace and close the curly brace, and inside this we need to specify the baud rate. No need to worry about much about this baud rate. I will share what is the baud rate and all in the descriptions. There are something called different baud rates, like 9600 for example, that we are using now. Don't worry about it, I will tell that 9600. Okay, this is the baud rate, just remember it, serial dot begin, and here the baud rate is 9600. That means that in that baud rate it is passing the data to the computer. No need to worry much about this, serial dot begin 9600. Okay, then in the while loop what I will write means, for example let's use some for loop. Okay, for yeah, first I will declare some variable int I. Okay, for I equal to 0 comma, that means this one, semicolon, I equal to 0, I is less than 100, no, let's say 50, comma I plus plus plus, I plus plus. Okay, this one, that means now it will become 0 to 50, 0 1 2 3, 0 to 49. I is less than 50, so it will because I value gets 0 to 49. Okay, this is just a for loop. For loop means it will repeat for I equal to 0. That means from 0 it will start, and each time it will increment 1, because I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. I plus plus means, so it will each time it will increment 1. And here I will write to display in the serial monitor. We said the Arduino that you have to use the serial monitor, that is serial dot begin. Now to display, what I will write means serial dot println, serial dot println. Okay, print, serial dot println I will use. This is another function, serial dot println, S capital and remaining things are small, dot println. What I have to display? I need to display A. Okay, before that we just display the value of A is, like that we need to display first. Okay, the value of a is, okay, if we write the strings inside this function, that should be in the double quotes. That means, yeah, the value of the a is, okay, then semicolon. Just to display anything you can display inside that, just close this. And again serial dot print. If you write just print, it will print in the same line. That means in the same line, one after the other. Print ln means it jumps to the next line and it will print. Okay, I will in the same line I will print serial dot print. That means the value of a is, after that it has to print the a value. That means 0 1 2 3 like that. Serial dot print a. Okay, now for every second, so delay 1000 every second I want this. And this is inside for loop, these three statements. So I will put all these three statements in the bracket. Okay, now yeah, we can see it is like this. Okay, uh, yeah, it is like this. Okay, this is in my for loop. So now what it will print, what it will we'll see whether it's a code is proper or not. If any error, yeah, a was not declared in the scope, yeah, we not declared a, it is I, so just change it as I. Okay, then run it. Yeah, it's I think now compile it successfully. Yeah, now we will upload this to the Arduino. You can see here the Arduino gets uploaded, TX and RX pins. Now if you open the serial monitor here, you can see the value of A is 0, value of A is 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, something it is displaying differently, so we'll see why it is like that. Serial.println, the value of A is, we will make this as serial.print and this as println, because value of a is, after that we want this a I value. Oh sorry, it is not a, it is I. Value of I is, after that we want this value, then one line jump. Okay, now we will upload this and we will open the serial monitor. Let's see, yeah, value of a is 0 1 2 3, value of I is, yeah, you can see it is the data coming from the Arduino. Here you can see the Arduino. Here you just see in this Arduino the TX pin, you just see properly. TX pin is blinking every second, means every second it is transmitting some data through this serial monitor to the serial cable, and here you can see 26 27 data are coming. That is the how we can see the data from the Arduino. And here what the actual thing is, here TX and RX, here two pins are there. Can see that, I think now you can see this 0 and 1, TX and RX. When we are transferring data through the serial monitor, you should not use these two pins, that means 0 and 1, for blinking the LEDs or switch and all. It will give you the error. That means these two pins are interfered when we are using this. These two pins will interfere, so we should not use that. Now you can see it is again repeating because it is in a for loop. And yeah, like this we can display anything in the serial monitor. For example, if I want in the beginning, before for loop, if I want serial dot big serial dot println hi, I am learning Arduino. Okay, yeah, now we will see at the starting it has to print I am learning Arduino. You see now. No, I think it will start suddenly. So what I will do means here delay 2000. Okay, and we can clear the serial monitor. If anything data is there in the beginning, we can clear like serial dot clear Okay, serial dot clear means if anything is there in the screen, it will clear it first, then it will make this. So we will see now. No, what it is, class hardware serial as no member called. Oh no, we cannot clear like this. Yeah, clearing is there, but I will tell that. Now we will see. Now I think we can clear in the serial monitor itself. uh, yeah, here, yeah, hi, I'm learning Arduino, you can see this. And here it is also there, clear output option is there, it will clear all the things. And here what I told is the baud rate, that is 9600, 11,000, 19,200. For example, if some devices that transfer the data in some baud rate, this 9600 we can use generally, but for example if we consider some GSM modules that will transfer data in the 19,200 baud rate, for that it is helpful, that I will tell. Okay, clear output we can do. uh, yeah, I think this is what about the serial monitor. This how to clear the serial monitor, that I will tell. Okay, thank you.